Go get it. There we go. That was hilarious. I'm so glad I didn't stop recording because she just fell down the stairs. Literally, like flip-flops. Woof. Woof. That was my cat, by the way, not me. Now watch me do this. Dance, my kitty, dance. It's wrapped around her tail. Get it! This is amazing content. I can't speak. I'm just looking at her in real life and she's way bigger than on this. So I might try and... There she is. Meowy, say hi to the camera. She didn't say hi, but she said hi before. Okay? Her meowing was her saying hi. This is tiring. I use my knees to help record. She's too lazy to move now. That's why she's just there. I'm trying to get her to move. There she goes. She moves. It lives, dude. It lives, dude. If you've seen Nemo, then hey, dude, it lives. Joke. That we use. Oh my gosh! I dropped my holder. Thing I was using to hold it for a second. I'm just using it like a whip. It doesn't hurt her, by the way. It's very soft. Oh, okay. The railing might hurt you, though. Meowy, come on. Come down, Meowy. Go get it. Meowy, go get it. Go get it. Meowy, oh my gosh. Give me this so I can throw it down there. It's tangled. Life struggles of owning a cat. They love to play, and their toys can get tangled.